Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to save post on Facebook application. There may be a lot of time that you want to save something and then you keep those posts by sharing it somewhere on Messenger. There is a save option on Facebook that you can use. Find a post you like and then tap on the three dot options that is on the top of the post. There you can see save post. Tap on it and then now you can see your collections. Choose the collection you want to save your post to and then it is saved in the collection. Then to see the post you have saved, tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner and then you can see saved. Tap on it. On the top you can see recently saved post, and if you scroll a little below you can see your collections. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.